Hi, it's Soraya from Tentworld at the Browns Plains store. Today we're looking at the Handy High Chair from OZtrail. It's got a couple interesting features, so let's dive into it. So the OZtrail Handy High Chair has a few interesting features. It's got a 16mm high tensile steel frame and locking mechanisms to keep the chair open for your peace of mind. It's also got a removable tabletop that to serve food with, and it's easy to wipe down and keep clean. It's also got internal strapping to keep the kids from wiggling and keeping them safe and secure. The seat itself is made from a 600D polyester fabric, so it's really easy to wipe down from any spillages. What's so interesting about this chair is that it actually has an 80 kilo weight rating, and it has the vertical leg stabilizers to keep the chair stabilized. As you can see when you buy the product, the chair comes in a really compact and durable carry case. So we'll run you through the setup. Alright, so when you first open the bag, there'll be two pieces inside. There'll be the table and the chair itself. Now we'll just put the bag to the side for a moment. So basically it packs up like this. You'll just unfold it. There's a locking mechanism at the back, so you just want to make sure that that's in place and locked in to stop the chair from being able to fold in on itself. Once that's locked in, you can grab the table and clip it on. It should click in once it's stable, and that's how you set it up. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, pop online or pop in store. Thanks for watching and happy camping.